Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Richard Ernst, and I am the director of Auto Care Academy. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever found yourself on the side of the road with your car broken down? I started Auto Care Academy because I wanted to help people like you, people who own and drive cars, to understand how important it is to go beyond just what's written in your owner's manual. Many expensive repairs and breakdowns can be avoided with just a little knowledge and care. Let me share a quick story. I'm a school bus driver for special needs kids. Every morning before I drive, I need to do what is called a pre-trip inspection. That's 118 different things that I have to check to make sure that the bus is safe and ready to go. One morning while doing my inspection, I found a strange metal-on-metal sound coming from a bus next to me. I pointed it out to the driver and he took it to the mechanics. Turns out that the Serpentine belt was just about ready to fail. Now, for those who may not know, the Serpentine belt is a critical part of the engine's performance. It connects the alternator, the water pump, the power steering, and more. If that had broken while the bus was on the road, it could have been disastrous. The driver would have lost engine ability to produce electricity, lost power steering, and the engine would have overheated quickly, possibly leading to a complete engine failure. Replacing the belt costs about $100, but had they missed it, replacing the engine would have cost $45,000. The same thing applies to your car. It could cost you anywhere from $6,000 to $8,000 to have a new engine put in your car. That's why the class is so important. It's not about turning you into a mechanic. It's about helping you understand the basic auto maintenance and give you the knowledge to spot problems before they get expensive. After you finish the course, we'll be sending you a free ebook so you can use as a handy reference to take care of your vehicle as time goes forward. It's all about keeping you and your family safe, protecting your investment, and giving you the confidence to know your car is in good shape every time you hit the road. To register, just go to www.autocareacademy.com. That's autocareacademy.com. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to sending you your class and helping you drive safer.